Hey everyone, so this is our requirement. Pull out all requests not converted to project using Fusion. How do we do that? Let's see that. Okay, so if you go to Workfront here, so you have this request. Okay, if you see this request has not been converted to a project. How do I know that? If you go here into if you go down, if you check the issue relationship, you don't have the resolve project name here. Okay, there'll be something called resolve project that is missing here. Okay, and let's see another request here. So in this request you can see the resolving project is there. Okay, it is not empty. Okay, we have the resolving project, so that means this issue or request has been converted to a project. Okay, so how do we query all requests not converted to project? Basically what we need to check is we need to check whether the resolving project is empty or not. If the resolving project is empty, that means the issue has not been converted to a project. Okay, so that's the whole idea of it. Now let's see how we can do that in Fusion. Okay, so you go to Fusion, let's go to Fusion, let's try to write let's try to call it the API. Right click, choose module, Adobe Workfront Custom API Call. Okay, so basically let's search for issues. Okay, issue is nothing but request, right? Issue slash search. Okay, okay, question mark. Okay, I want all the fields to be pulled out, so I'll say fields equal to star. Okay, and and I need to write the query now. Resolve project ID is empty, right? That should be the query. So how do I write it in a proper way? So let's try to get the resolve project ID. So this is API Explorer and I'm filtering by issue here. And if you see, I have something called resolve project ID. Okay, just copy that. Okay, so how do we do this? Resolve project ID equal to is null. Okay, but this will not work. You need to add a modifier here, underscore mod equal to is null. So this is how you do it in Workfront. Basically you need to add a modifier. So this underscore mod is nothing but the modifier, and this basically means resolve project ID is null, right? That's what it means. Okay, so basically you're searching by you are searching for all issues where resolve project ID is empty or is null. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, so let's try to run it here. Okay, so right click, run this module only. Okay, so if you see this, you have the data here. Okay, so this is how you do it in Fusion. Okay, I hope you like this video. Have a great day.